Hi friends, let me show you my new PHIXTON flashlight. As you can see, it comes with all the accessories. This is the actual flashlight. It's kind of portable, but you will see how strong light it delivers. You can, first of all, you can use it with a rechargeable battery or with, this is a rechargeable battery, or with this accessory with regular 4 AAA batteries, okay? So anyway you want to use it, of course, you can do it. Then, if you are using the recharge, I'm going to use it just to show you how it turns on. If you are using it with the rechargeable battery, you can recharge it in the car with this accessory, lighter accessory. You can recharge it with any electric outlet with this USB cable. And, well, this is the battery cage. And this, with this accessory, you can put your flashlight in any kind of mobile vehicle, like a bicycle, motorcycle, whatever you need the flashlight to be. So let's try it. As you can see, you get a large light or a very focused one, depending on what you need. You get different kind of lights like that.